If you really think you're ugly, girl, you are totally in the wrong because you don't know these secrets to why people look perfect on camera, on Instagram, on social media. But today I'm spilling all the tea, honey, so are you ready? Oh, hey, baddie, it's me, Felix, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been quite some time since I posted this type of video, but I'm so back, and because I don't want to waste your time, let's get straight into it, honey. The first thing that's gonna sound so cheesy, and I feel like I'm repeating myself all the time, but it is lighting. And as you can see, my face in this lighting looks soft, it looks pretty. This is my face without the backlight. This is my face with an overhead lighting. And this is my face without lighting, period. But I'm so glad we're back in this lighting. I look perfect again. No, but for real, lighting is one of the key things that people take for granted. And because we've heard all this time on social media, the Kardashians said it, we need good lighting, we need our lights, and it is true. I don't go anywhere without my portable lights. Why? Because usually if you're a content creator or an inspiring content creator and you go to the events, to environments where lighting is not controllable by you, you can look awful. You can look totally different. And that's why lighting truly can break or make anyone's face. And I don't think people are aware how much knowledge goes into lighting a person to their features. If I have harsh lighting, like a flash kind of light, I look horrible. My skin looks horrible, my eyes look smaller, my makeup looks harsh, even though in broad daylight it's pretty flawless because, you know, she's a makeup artist. But honestly, it is so important that you learn the right lighting for your face. If you have a round face, you can use a lot of shadows to create some structure to your cheekbones that's maybe naturally not even there. If you don't have a jawline, you can cast a shadow and create an illusion of a jawline. It truly is about all of these little tweaks that you do with the correct lighting. And we have so much different lighting. Flash lighting is great for makeup, for everything to pop on camera, like glitter, blush, just the structure of contour, bronzer, and just the hair texture, some shine if you have some oils in your hair. That will look amazing. If you have soft lighting, that is amazing for mature skin. It is amazing for people that have acne. It is amazing for people that don't have a lot of fat in their face because everything looks softer and it just looks more in harmony. So if you're very skinny, or if you have very hollow under eyes, if you have very structured face and maybe some harsh features, soft lighting is your bestie. Now you can do a combination of both, which I'm doing right now. So as my main light source, I have a soft light, so everything looks diffused. But for me to pop on this video, I have a backlight, which is a very harsh light source, as you are able to see. Makeup and hair and plastic surgery. Girl, you know, I've been a videographer, I've been a content creator, an aspiring one myself for quite some time, and I've dabbled in some surgeons' offices. I've dabbled, you know, in some quick procedures with dentists and a lot of different other professionals. And I must say, even though I'm like an aspiring content creator, like I have maybe like a larger following on TikTok, but I have work done. Like I did work. Imagine with the resources that celebrity have and with their just connections and the ability to have the best surgeons, the best injectors, the best doctors, the best longevity doctors, dietitians, and even weight loss medications. They have access to all of that because of their status, because of their money, because of their fame, because of all of that. they are able to keep up with the social norm. Some people are open about it, some people aren't, and that's totally fine. That's like a personal choice because I also don't feel comfortable just spilling it all. I let you know I have some things done, but I don't want to tell you everything, honey. I like to keep things to myself, okay? But besides the point, imagine celebrities, imagine actresses, actors, men, not only women, falling into this not even trap, but kind of an expectation by society and by what's popular and what kind of looking people are popular and are in, and what features do they have and kind of weight do they have. And usually like surgery is the route for everything to appear more natural. I worked for plastic surgeons. I filmed the surgeries, and surgeries, believe it or not, look way more natural than any type of filler. Really looks very conservatively if you have the right surgeon, and looks amazing. And that's why you could never tell. And sometimes, especially in these days, people look better because they lost weight. And just objectively, because I see on social media people commenting on influencers that have lost weight like they did all the surgery, but sometimes it's just weight loss. Personally, from my weight loss journey for the past 2 years or even more, I've lost over 60 pounds and I'm still losing like some extra pounds. But I must say, fat loss, weight loss changes your face completely. Like that was me 2 years ago and that's me today. And since going to the gym and building muscle and eating a lot of protein, that's also been a game changer. And my face has shifted even though I haven't moved that much on the scale. Being perfect is, of course, an illusion. I have a wig on right now. It's human hair. I have makeup that costs thousands of dollars. And also this hair, honey. And I have professional lighting. I have skills in editing and in setting up lighting and in makeup. I just want to say that this is me starting out barefaced today, and this is me right now. It's a whole damn team that takes care of one person to look the way they do, perfect. And also hair. And you have to think about the celebrities and influencers that have money, that are successful in their job, above average. They have resource to pay people or to collaborate with people, and they get the best of the best. Hairdressers, hairstylists, hair colorists, experts, and photographers, and lighting people, and editing people at their profession, being virtuosos, I would say, for 20, 10, 15, 30 years. And imagine 10 people of that level of expertise, each in their own field, just channeling their work, their amazing work on one person. Now it makes sense why that person looks perfect, right? And if that person also has some work done, some tweaks, minor tweaks, some fillers, some Botox, and amazing lighting, amazing makeup, amazing lashes, amazing lip combo, also some color analysis to have the right clothing to be shot on the right backdrop, so it brings out their skin tone the best, their makeup the best. That's why they look amazing. That's why they look perfect, because that's the art of looking perfect, because it's just an illusion. I just want to make you feel hopeful. When I was younger and I was chubby and I didn't have the features that I wanted to have, or I was very unpopular, I was really bullied, and my whole life basically, I never felt beautiful. And that's why I was obsessed with makeup. I was obsessed with editing. I was obsessed with lighting. I was obsessed and still am with equipment, with getting better at it. It's like a package deal of some sorts. Like, it takes so many components for someone to learn how they look their best. That's why I'm here, girl. I'm here to help. And if you have any wishes for my next video, or just a topic that you want me to expand on, comment down below. I'll take notes, I'll listen to your opinion and to your suggestions and to your wishes. And if you found this video helpful or valuable in any shape or form, you're more than welcome to join our little family here on YouTube. So click that subscribe button and make sure to click that notification bell so you won't miss out on the next upload. And if you give this video a like, it lets me know you like this type of content, honey. I have other social medias where I post short form makeup tutorials and stuff like that, so feel free to check it out. Everything is down in the description, honey. And until next time, no matter where you are in your life, if you're really happy, I hope you are, if you're doing good, or if you're not, because life sucks sometimes, you have to remember that you are the baddest baddie. Everything's gonna be more than perfect, better than you can imagine, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.